Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another video. Today we will learn about pronouns. So first of all we'll define it. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that we use in place of noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. We have discussed it in detail in our previous video that noun is the name of person, place, thing or animal. We can also say that we can replace naming word with a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that we use instead of noun. We have different examples of pronoun. For example, he, she, it, I, we, they, you. All of these are pronoun and they can be used in place of naming word. First of all, we'll discuss pronoun he. He is used for one boy or for one man. For example, if I say Ali is doing his homework, here Ali is the name of a boy. I can replace Ali with pronoun he. I can say he is doing his homework. Here he is pronoun of noun Ali. Ali is doing his homework or he is doing his homework. Next we have pronoun she. She is used for one girl or for one woman. For example, if I say that Zoha is watching cartoons, here Zoha is the name of a girl and it's a naming word, so I can replace it with pronoun she. She is watching cartoons. Next, so Zoha is watching cartoons or she is watching cartoons. In next example, we have it. It is used for one thing or one animal. Again, it is used for one thing or for one animal. For example, the cat is very cute. I can replace the cat with it. It is very cute. It is the pronoun of cat. Next example, we have I. I is used when we talk about ourselves. Remember ourselves. If I say my name is Sana, I am 10 years old. Now I have used pronoun I for representing myself. So we use I when we talk about ourselves. Next we have we. We use for more than one person including ourselves. Remember again, including ourselves. For example, if I say Sana and I cook food. Now I will replace Sana and I with pronoun we. When we are included along with other person, then we will use pronoun we. We cook food. This is a pronoun of Sana and I. Sana and I is replaced by pronoun we. Next we have they. They is used for more than one person, animal or thing. For example, if I say the children are playing, children are more than one person, so we replace noun children with they. They are playing. Next one is you. You is used when we talk to one person or many person. When we talk, we will say you. Next we have an activity for you. You will hunt the pronoun and write them in the comment section. Sentences: my sister always takes care of me. Next sentence is for you. The monkey is jumping on the trees. You will write the pronoun of these sentences in the comment section. If you like this video, then share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.